Hello, everybody.
Hello. You don't need to start now.
Let's start. Yeah. I am Daniela,
Hello, my name is Marcelo.
and we are here again. And now we have a new camera. No,
It's a webcam.
webcam. Okay. Webcam. What do you think about the
Image quality.
yes image quality? I hope you like it. Yes.
Yeah, the smartphone camera is fine, but it's not good for doing to streaming.
Okay. Then let's study today some words.
Yeah.
All these words. That now. And I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Advise. Advise is a noun, and advise is a verb.
No.
A noun. Advice is a noun, and advice is a verb. She gave me some good advice. She advised me to get some rest. There is also a pronunciation difference. Advice has an S sound, and advice has a Z sound. Advice, advice. Don't make the common error
Error.
of saying advice. The word advice is uncountable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. However, you can say piece of advice. The consultant gave me 3 pieces of advice for my business.
Yeah, good enough.
Affect, affect,
Affect, effect.
affect, effect. Affect is a verb used for the process of one thing causing another thing to change. Effect is a noun and it means the ending result of some change. This disease is affecting my ability to breathe. The medicine had an instant effect on the pain.
The medicine had an instant effect on the pain.
The medicine had an instant effect on the pain. In spoken English, effect and effect are pronounced the same. Effect, effect. Okay. Afraid, scared, frightened,
Frightened.
frightened, frightened,
Frightened. Frightened.
frightened, frightened. When using these words to
These words.
when using these words to describe someone's emotional state after the verb to be and before of, you can use
Afraid.
afraid or scared with no change in meaning. She's
Afraid.
afraid of spiders. She's scared of spiders. Frightened of can also be used, but it's not as common. However, When used in the active voice and the subject of the sentence is the scary thing, you can use only scared or frightened. The loud noise scared me.
Loud.
The loud noise scared me. The loud noise frightened me.
This is a trick word to pronounce.
Yes.
Frightened.
You can also use a scary or frightening to describe something that causes fear.
Describe.
To describe something that causes fear. It also a scary experience.
Experience.
It was a scary experience. It was a frightening experience.
Say that again.
It was a frightening experience.
It was a frightening experience.
It was a frightening experience.
Okay, way better.
After and later. Nobody listen us today.
Yeah.
But let's go. After and later. Using after plus phrase and use later alone. Okay, after phrase and later alone. At the end of the sentence or phrase. Okay. I call you later. I call you after I get home from work. I don't confuse these words.
Yeah, I think maybe the confusing part of this is that you can't use later plus a phrase, for instance.
First thing, he bought a new car. 2 weeks later, he bought a new motorcycle. He bought a new motorcycle 2 weeks after he bought the car. Bought a car. You can say later plus time period to refer to an unspecified time time in the future, which is still in the period. For example, I'll finish the project later this week. We'll go on vacation later this year. Never end a sentence with after. Instead, you can use afterwards. Did you go straight home after the baseball game? No, we went out for drinks after. It's wrong. No, we went out for drinks afterwards.
Word is like a point in time or point in space. It's like an anchor, some reference to a point. So after that point.
Afterward.
Let me ask you, do you think very strange to talk alone? Talk to the walls?
Again. Say again.
Do you think it's strange to talk to nobody?
Now we have somebody with us. I don't know who is. You. Hello.
Yeah, hello, or one spectator. Can he see why on Twitch it doesn't show like we are streaming? Go back here. Yes. Shouldn't it be online?
Oh, I don't know.
I thought it would show us.
But
It says live.
I don't know.
Open a new window. Here. Oh, siblings. Yeah, Twitch is strange. We are
Oh, we are
here.
here.
Yeah, you can see us. And anyways, do you want to go on or talk about something else? Or do you think you improved already?
Improve the what?
Already.
Ah, okay. What?
Do you think you have improved already?
I don't know what's improved.
Improve it to get better at something.
Ah,
Improve.
then ask again.
So you think you got better at speaking English already?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe we're talking to the walls, to the mosquitoes, but it's okay because you improving your ability, right?
Yes. It's so good speaking in English and conversation because you train the English.
Mm-hmm.
Because in the
Day to
uh,
day.
day to day, we don't speak English,
Mm-hmm.
and the 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 people we meet don't know English,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe no, but don't want to speak English.
Yeah, it's not a comfortable zone to.
Yes,
Uh, yeah, and writing is different. I feel different about speaking versus writing because writing you have all the time of the word. You can think beforehand. You can maybe you think, oh, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna write this sentence, but then you think, oh, this sentence is not cool. Then you rewrite that sentence, and only then you go to the next. So it's not real time. While speaking is completely real time. So it's a different kind of training, I think. Writing is good. I like to write. Uh, it helped me a lot to improve in English, but speaking is another level. I think
yes.
I've watched some videos of polyglots saying what works best for them to learn a new language, and almost everyone says that you should be speaking since the beginning. Maybe it's because of this. You are talking, you are training real time. No time to think you are saying something wrong. You just have to say it. If you said wrong, you said something wrong, then it's another conversation. But you train, get used to the words and the common paths of getting an idea, to make sense of an idea. I think communication has a lot of common patterns, no?
Common.
Common patterns.
Alright.
Pattern is something that repeats a lot.
Yes.
So it's seen in you see that pattern, that semi kind of construction in various different sentences. So
Yes.
you identify this pattern, and it's now easy to talk because you internalize that pattern and you can use it in other phrases and sentences.
And the language have default padrão.
Yeah.
The babes learning English
Uh,
with the phone. Um, they learn the default to learning.
I think you want to say pattern because in Portuguese we use default, pattern, and another word I don't know to mean padrão. I think
Okay.
in this book is 600 confusing words has a chapter there talking about the difference to default, pattern, and another word I can't remember. Let's
Okay.
take a look because it's open. Pattern. No. Oh, yeah, I'm wrong, but they are similar, and I think they should be here because it can be confusing.
Yes. I didn't know Terry.
Mhm. Default is more like what is the way that you always do, but it's not a similarity. It's the default. Whenever you go to do that thing, you do this very same way. While a pattern, you do similarly to what you done, but not equal. There's something different. While default is something that really repeats.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, all the default user that your computer has. Uh, okay, that's it. And I think we spoke a lot,
Okay.
and it's nice to not only be studying the book, but also to come up with a real conversation. Like we are making a reflection. We are talking about talking. That's funny. Meta talking, meta language, or something like this.
Yes,
I
so
think
nice.
yes, it helps to think differently because it's very cool to read the differences of the words, examples of sentences, but you are not forcing your brain to think about that, to come up with an idea. Well, that's it.
Mhm. Okay, then we we finish.
Yeah, you that are here with us, make sure to visit our YouTube channel. You can check our very first stream, and you notice if you improve it or not. I think yes, it was a very significant improvement.
I think so.
Yeah. So that's it. We are going out.
Bye bye. See you
See you.
tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah, hope so.
Bye bye.